Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So one more opportunity from central government is in front of you from CRPF for various posts. Total 212 vacancies. If you complete your BE Tech diploma, BSc, then you are eligible for this. Let's see vacancy wise distribution. So first post is sub inspector RO, for which if you have bachelor degree, okay, then you are eligible. Just physics, mathematics and computer science you should have, okay. Then second post is sub inspector technical, where you should have BE Tech in electronics or telecommunication or computer science branch, okay. Then sub inspector crypto, where also bachelor degree is enough. Then sub inspector civil for male only, if your diploma should be in civil engineering, okay. Then assistant sub inspector technical, you should have your diploma in electronics, computer and radio engineering. Also BSc degree is also eligible, okay, physics, chemistry, mathematics. Then assistant sub inspector dotman, for which if you have a diploma in civil or mechanical, then you are eligible for this post. So we can see for RO total 19 vacancies, for crypto total 7, for technical SI technical total 5, okay. Then for SI civil total 20 vacancies, for ASI technical 146 vacancies, okay. Then assistant sub inspector dotman total 15 vacancies, and category wise you can see here. So what are the important point? There is no percentage criteria. You should have your degree or your BTech or your diploma in your hand. Means final year are not eligible, or if you will get your degree before 21st of May, then you are eligible. Okay, obviously you will not get because you are in final year. Process will be CBT. They will conduct first, then PET and PST, then medical, and then document verification. Posting you will get anywhere in India, and exam center list is given almost in every state, in every city you have exam centers. So no need to worry. Okay, so here you can see the list of all the cities exam center all over India, okay. Now the most important, what is physical standard test? So here you can see first your height for general SC OBC, it should be minimum 170 centimeter, okay, for female 157 centimeter. Then chest for general SC and OBC, for male 80 centimeter minimum, expansion 5 centimeter, for female not applicable, okay. Then relaxation is given to ST and a few people who are from hilly stations. So here they mention already about your caste, so you can see there, okay. This is the relaxation. Next is PET. So in PET basically first test is race, for which you need to cover 1.6 kilometer in 6 minutes 30 seconds, okay. Then 100 meter in 16 seconds, for female 800 meter in 4 minutes and 100 meter in 18 seconds, okay. Then long jump is there, 3.65 meter in 3 chances and 9 feet in 3 chances for female. For male high jump 1.2 meter in 3 chances, for female 3 feet in 3 chances, and shot put 16 is there, for male 4.5 meter in 3 chances, for female it is not applicable. And for SI civil only in PET you have race, okay, that is 1.6 kilometer you need to cover in 9 minutes. For SI form fees is 200 rupees for general OBC EWS, SST women PWD there is no fee for you, okay. Then for ASI the form fee is 100 rupees. Age limit for SI is 30 years and age limit cutoff date is 21st of May, okay. OBC 33, SSC 35, for PWD vacancy is not there. For ASI age limit is 25, cutoff date is same 21st of May, OBC 28, SST 30. Important dates of form will start on 1st of May, okay, and it will end on 21st of May. Your exam is tentatively scheduled in the June month and on 24th June, okay, tentative date. If any changes there you will get notification. Then we can see exam pattern. So for SI radio operator, crypto and technical, okay, you have one paper carrying of 200 marks, means total paper 2 are there, part 1, part 2. In part 1 you can see non-technical section, total 50 questions, okay, and maximum marks here it is written 40, 40 and 20, means per question you have 2 marks, okay. Then part 2 paper is there for SI and radio operator only, that in we have physics and mathematics question, okay, 30 questions you will get for 60 marks, and general graduate computer science part for 20 question 40 marks, okay. Then for SI crypto, now again I am talking about part 2, okay. Part 1 is common for all. So for SI crypto you can see here in part 1 questions will be from physics and mathematics, 30 questions you will get, and English 20 questions. Then for SI technical you will get questions from physics mathematics, those who will apply as a BSc. Those who will apply in electronics communication telecommunication you will get questions from electronics branch 50 questions. Those who will apply from computer science you will get question of computer science, okay, 50 questions you will get for 100 marks. Then for civil you will get syllabus of civil. If you apply in mechanical then you will get syllabus of mechanical, okay. Along with that here you can see general awareness and physics, chemistry, mathematics is there, okay. Then for ASI technical dotman only one paper carrying 100 marks, 1 mark, part 1 and part 2 is there. Part 1 we have maths of class 10, science of class 10, English of class 10, general knowledge, general awareness, and part 2 we have ASI technical 3-year diploma, okay, that is you will get questions from your diploma 40 question. Again, if you apply in electronics, you will get electronics question. If you apply in computer science, you will get computer science question. Okay, if you apply in as a BSc, then you will get physics, chemistry and mathematics question, 40 question each. For ASI.MET, if you apply in civil, then you will get civil question. If you apply in mechanical, then you will get mechanical question. 40 questions you will get for 40 marks. Okay, basic cutoff is there, that is for general ex-serviceman 45% and EWS OBC SST 40% in each part of the paper. Negative marking is there of 0.50 to 50 for SI, RO, Crypto and Tech, and 0.25 for SI Civil, ASI Technical and .MET. Okay, so this is all about CRPF notification. The full notification I will give you in the comment section. Download and read properly. Let me know if you want preparation strategy video and guidance for this vacancy. If you are targeting this vacancy, definitely I will make the video. Okay, if you have any query, any doubt regarding notification, regarding anything, definitely you can comment on below. And do not forget to join Telegram channel, which is most important, so join it. All the best.